Hi, in this screencast I will show you how to hyperlink a PDF that is located in your Google Drive and hyperlink it into a Schoology page or a Schoology discussion page. It works the same way for both. So I'm in my Google Drive right now and I'm at my the file I have from attending the TIES conference back in December of 18. So I am going to right click on this one that says Day 1 Jamie Cassett. He was the keynote speaker that day. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to click on Get Shareable Link. This window will pop up and then you'll click on the switch and there is the shareable link. So I'm going to Command C on my Mac and I'm going to go into Schoology. As you can see, I'm already in the edit page of my visual anchors page, and I am going to put the cursor down here and I'm going to put keynote or TIES. Oops, why is that? TIES Keynote 2018. And then I'm going to highlight it. And I'm going to go up here and click the link. And I am going to Command V and paste it in there. Click Insert. Save. And now when I go into that page and I click on that or hover over it, you can see I can click on it now and it takes me to the PDF of the notes from Jamie Cassett's TIES keynote. So it's pretty easy. That's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.